Imagine waking up in 2026 and realizing that working harder is actually the reason you're still stuck. While everyone else is grinding themselves into exhaustion, a small group of people are quietly building income streams that run without them, using AI. And the crazy part? These aren't complicated businesses. These are simple, repeatable systems that anyone, yes, even you, can start. Today, I'm going to walk you through 5 AI-powered opportunities that can literally change your financial life and potentially put you on a path to early retirement. And trust me, number 5 is the one almost nobody is talking about, but it might be the most powerful of them all. Let's get into it. The world has changed. If you're not using AI to leverage your time, you're choosing to stay stuck. And in this video, I'm breaking down 5 specific AI opportunities that aren't just side hustles. These are scalable systems. We're going from the easiest to start to the one that can quietly pay you every single month while you sleep. Let's start with opportunity number 1. Opportunity 1. The AI-powered Faceless Education YouTube channel. The biggest mistake people make with YouTube is thinking they need to show their face, be charismatic, or go viral. You don't. In 2026, the real money is in faceless, niche, educational content powered entirely by AI. Step 1. Go to ChatGPT or Claude and ask for high-intent evergreen niches. Think things like tax strategies for freelancers, AI tools for small businesses, or passive income ideas for beginners. Step 2. Take that topic and plug it into InVideo AI. This tool will literally generate your entire video. Script, visuals, transitions, everything. Step 3. Now here's where it gets interesting. Use ElevenLabs to create a professional voiceover. Not the robotic voice, the deep dive or narrative style. That's what keeps people watching. Step 4. Upload your video to YouTube and focus on high-ticket affiliate links in your description. One sale from a software or course can make more than thousands of views. This is not about going viral. This is about building a content machine that works for you. Now let's move to opportunity number 2. Opportunity 2. Hyper-niche AI Micro-SaaS. Most people skip this part, but this is where the real money is. You don't need to know how to code anymore. Step 1. Identify a boring manual problem. For example, landscapers struggling to calculate square footage for mulch jobs, or contractors needing quick cost estimators. Step 2. Use Replit Agent or Cursor. Tell the AI exactly what you want the tool to do. Be specific. The AI will literally write the software for you. Step 3. Host it on Versal. It's simple, fast, and often free to start. Step 4. Charge a subscription, even $20 a month. Get 100 users, and now you're making $2,000 monthly, with almost no overhead. This is leverage. You build it once, and it keeps paying. Now let's talk about opportunity number 3. Opportunity 3. Automated faceless brand design. Most people completely overlook this, but companies are desperate for branding, and they're tired of paying agencies thousands of dollars. Step 1. Sign up for Midjourney or Leonardo.ai. Step 2. Use these tools to create full brand kits, logos, social media templates, product mock-ups, aesthetic visuals. Step 3. Create a portfolio on Behance. Show off your work like a professional designer. Step 4. Set up a storefront on Gumroad and sell pre-made brand kits for specific niches. Skincare brands, tech startups, fitness coaches. You build it once, and it sells over and over again. That's passive income done right. Now here's where it gets really interesting. Opportunity 4. AI-driven personalized newsletter arbitrage. Newsletters are the new gold mines, because you own the audience, not the algorithm. Step 1. Use Perplexity AI every morning to find the top trending stories in a niche like AI, finance, or healthcare. Step 2. Feed those links into Beehive's AI writing assistant. It will summarize everything into a clean, engaging 2-minute read. Step 3. Use Meta ads or TikTok to drive traffic to your newsletter sign-up page. Step 4. Once you hit about 1,000 subscribers, activate the Beehive ad network. They place ads for you, and you get paid per click. This is one of the most underrated income streams right now. But now, let's talk about the one that can truly run in the background of your life. 2 quick reasons this stream is underrated. First, almost no competition in niche newsletters. Second, payouts compound as your audience compounds. Keep the flywheel spinning. Publish consistently, track CTR, and reinvest into growth. Pro tip: batch 3 weeks of content in one sitting using AI summaries, then schedule. Your time stays free while the list builds and brands pay to reach it. Dial in your niche, measure RPM, and optimize subject lines. When you hit consistent opens, the ad slots become assets you control, ready for the big one next. Opportunity 5. Synthetic content licensing. This is the ultimate set it and forget it strategy. Step 1. Use tools like Flux to generate high-end, hyper-realistic AI images. Think diverse professionals, futuristic cities, abstract visuals, things businesses need. Step 2. Upscale those images using Magnific AI so they look crystal clear at any size. Step 3. Upload your images to platforms like Adobe Stock or Wirestock. Step 4. Wirestock distributes your images across multiple platforms automatically, and every time someone downloads your image, you earn a royalty. Over time, your library grows, and once you hit hundreds, even thousands of images, you can start generating consistent monthly income without doing anything else. Imagine waking up and getting paid because someone used your image in an article, a blog, or an ad. That's real passive income. Example niches that license well: diverse business portraits, futuristic workspaces, minimalist fintech visuals, and abstract tech textures. Think commercial use first, art second. Workflow checklist: prompt, iterate, upscale, caption with keywords, release sets in batches of 20-50. Metadata is half the game. Use clear buyer intent terms. Scale plan: hit 500 assets, then 1/500. Review top earners monthly and create series variations. Over time, royalties become a steady baseline. Now let me bring this home. The work harder era is ending.
The work smarter with AI era is already here.
You've just seen 5 real opportunities, real tools, and real step-by-step systems you can start today. The only question is, are you actually going to take action?
If you found value in this video, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment letting me know which one of these 5 you're starting first.
And don't forget, check the links in the description so you can get started with every single tool I mentioned. Don't wait until next year wishing you started today. Go build something. Quick action plan. Pick one opportunity today, set a 7-day sprint, and define a minimum outcome. First video published, first SaaS prototype, or first 20 assets uploaded. Resources, tools, and templates linked below. Save this video, share with an accountability partner, and set a calendar reminder to review progress next week. Your future self is watching. Start now, keep it simple, and let AI multiply your output, not your hours. I'll see you in the next one.